Like within 15 minutes, we got our target, which is 1:3. Hey everyone, Gaurav here and welcome to the Stratex path. Today we will going to learn a beautiful strategy which is called pivot R1 trading strategy. This is going to be a trend following strategy. So in the trending market, we will going to earn a big amount of profit by using this trading strategy. So without any further ado, let's learn this trading setup. Okay, to apply this strategy, first we need to open our trading chart on our trading platform, whether it is stocks, crypto, forex, or option or future. Whatever you like, you need to just open your trading chart on your trading platform first. After that, we need to choose our time frame from these options. We will going to choose 5 minutes from here because today we will going to learn a intraday strategy. That is why we will going to choose 5 minutes from here. Click on it. Or if you don't see these options here, you need to just click on this little arrow. Click on it. And after clicking, you will going to find 5 minutes from this drop down menu here. Click on it. And after clicking, now we can see our chart is now converted into a 5-minute chart. Now, just because today we will going to learn a pivot R1 breakout strategy, that is why we need to choose pivot point from our indicators tab. So for that, we need to go to this indicators icon, click on it. And after clicking, go to the search bar and search for pivot, P-I-V-O-T. Okay, after searching pivot, you will going to find so many options are here, but we will going to choose the second option, which is called pivot points standard. Don't choose this option, pivot points high low. We will going to select the second option, pivot points standard. Click on it and cross it. After crossing, now we can see in our chart, pivot point is now plotted. As we can see, the middle part is called P. And as we go up, we can see R1, R2, R3, R4 and R5, which stands for resistance 1, resistance 2, resistance 3, resistance 4 and resistance 5. And from the P portion, as we go down, we can see S1, S2, S3, S4 and S5, which means support 1, support 2, support 3, support 4 and support 5. By using high, low and the closing price of the previous candle, this indicator is usually made of. So that is why these lines are not the random lines. Okay, now we know about this pivot point indicator. Now let's unhide our chart. Now tell me, what is our strategy called? It is pivot point R1 breakout, right? So that is why we will going to enter on our trades when the R1 line, means the resistance 1 line, got broken, just like this candle. Here we can see by this candle, the resistance line got broken. So this is going to be our entry setup. But what is going to be our target? People usually think that after breaking R1, the price will shoot up and go like R3, R4 or R5. But in the reality, it will happen once in a lifetime. So that is why if you think that the price will shoot up and go to the R5 or R4, it will never going to happen. So that is why we need to enter when the R1 line got broken and take our target on the R2, because this is our nearest resistance. So that is why if we enter here when the R1 line got broken, then our target will be R2. And what will be our stop loss? People usually think that the previous swing low is the safest option to set the stop loss. But if we do so, our RR ratio got hampered. So that is why setting our stop loss to the previous swing low is not a wise option. So that is why we need to set our stop loss below to the R1, like with some buffer. This is the safest option to trade this R1 breakout strategy. By doing this, you can see our RR ratio got improved. Before it was like 1:0.9 and now it is 1:2.48. This is a good RR ratio to take the trades. So you got it right. We will going to enter when the R1 line got broken and we will going to set our stop loss to the R1 line and we will going to take the profit to the R2 line. So let's see whether we got any setup on our previous day or not. As you can see, we got a setup here. So we will going to enter to our trade when this R1 line got broken. So this is going to be our entry point. We will going to set our stop loss to the R1 line, which is here. with some buffer just because of liquidity sweep, and we will going to set our target to the R2, and as you can see we got our target successfully in this candle. Like within 15 minutes we got our target, which is 1:3. So as you can see, we got our target 2 consecutive days. So that is why this pivot point R1 breakout strategy works really well in the intraday market. So hope you understood about this beautiful strategy. See you on the next video. Till then, happy trading.